So now this is going to be my 5th tube, I believe, for this Lynx. Right, the paint is pretty crappy on this rim. I've basically stripped everything off already while trying to put the tire on and off. The last 2 leaks have been this valve stem here. I don't know, something's puncturing it. I'm gonna have to probably sand it down, but let's see what this 5th tire leak is. Basically, this was changed last night, about maybe 12 hours ago. Wake up this morning, find it to be completely flat again. So here we go. At least I'm able to get this process under 20 minutes. Here are the tools that I used for quick access. I really dig this little triangular hex key. I suggest using a drill for the quickest. I don't like the fact that I became a pro at removing this. Alright, so there's the TT15 for the top. Disconnect the battery. Now get at the sides and the battery will drop off. I tightened it, so just hand loosen these screws. Alright, now the battery should just drop off. Quite simple, actually. Got 2 tubes left. This is the weak part of the stem. Comes off. This thing is nice and clean because I must have cleaned it at least 4 times already. Just remove the 4 bolts. I had it Loctite on these 2, but it looks like it kind of just disappeared. So now you can get to the tire. Got my soap. This is my household cleaning product: vinegar, soap, and water. Got my spoons. Put something underneath, like your grizzle pads, so it doesn't rock. Let's see what I said about the paint chipping. What I find helps is this clamp. So this clamp here has helped me take the bead off. Squeeze it. Looks like there's a lot of air left, kinda. There's a slow leak somewhere. Let's see. Maybe I'll get another clamp. It's 2. Alright, finally, the bead is off. Now let's see what's going on with this tube. We'll blow this up and see where the leak is. I'm thinking here. Oh wow, it's already coming apart, so there's a leak. So I'm not sure why this hole keeps puncturing all the tubes. So for my compressor, I'm using for the car, I used to go off-roading to the beach, and I kept this to inflate the tires after I removed it. Connected to this jumper pack. Yep. So it's the stem. Not really sure. I'm gonna have to take this tire off. The bead is really in there. Alright, so let's try this. This should be easier. Wow, the bead is really in there. Like this. If you don't know what a bead is, it's this groove here that goes inside the rims groove, and it makes a seal. So to remove this, the tire, I usually just go poke this all the way through to the other side and try to grip it. Grip the other side of the tire and then pull it out. If you use soap on the other side, it should be easier to remove. But there it goes. Alright, all the paint chips came off with it. Paint is completely almost gone from the sides. I'm gonna give you a closer look of the inside of the rim. Alright, let's see. So something that's punctured. I'm gonna have to file this down. A crappy way of putting paint on this rim. This is now the third valve stem. I'm going tubeless.
Just pushing this down. What needs to happen is that this whole thing removed, like this whole thing needs to slide. So it compresses the whole thing.
Yeah.
Like concentrically.
Yeah, yeah.
And if it's not doing that, then I brought like these little weird condom things. Makes it so that it can slide through.
Alright, here we go. Some shit, I'm getting bit.
I might go crazy with it.
Good, baby.
How do I know? It'll stay at 10 when you stop pumping. It stays at 10, then it gets really sketchy because you gotta open that shit. And I hate doing that. I usually just cut it and say, fuck it. I'd rather have my fingers and get a new strap. All right, let's go.
You ready? Here we go.
Ready? Go. Can you hold it?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
Holy crap. Wow.
How many PSI?